just joining us, here's a giant mess of beads, which I found under the bed at my parents' house when I went to visit. So if you're interested in knowing how we have gotten to this point, then go click on, I'm sure it'll be over in the thumbnails or something. You can watch my last video. I'm gonna put these away. Under my bed, which I had in like a really old nail polish container, a sparkly green one that I got at the mall. And in that video I was showing you guys all my old nail polishes and things that were in there, but I don't remember actually cleaning them out after making the video. This girl up here I think is moving also, so please excuse her stupidly dropping things. Anyway, so this time I actually cleaned out the polish kit. I threw away all the really old ones and the ones that I was never going to use, and then a bunch of them I saved if they were any good for my sister and my mom. And then I took only the ones that I liked that I thought I may ever use, so there's only 4 of them. And then I organized my mother and my sister and my dad, they all share a bathroom, and I organized their bathroom and put all of hers and my sister's polishes into the container that used to be mine, so now it's like out of sight, out of mind, and organized. So I'm just going to show you the ones that I brought back. And keep in mind, I've had these a long time, and since I was like a young kid. I'm gonna need to roll them around though first though. This one, I hope that it will pick up on camera. This one's a real pretty, it's varnish. I can't even say the last word, but I know that word means varnish or nail polish. It's in the color Air by Blanco. I know this was my mother's because I would not have been purchasing Lancome nail polishes as a teenager or middle schooler or whatever grade I would have been. This is only 0.23 fluid ounces or 7 mil. It has a really, really nice, hopefully you can see it, iridescent shimmer through it, which is like bluish, purple, green, and turquoise sparkle with that sort of always have loved this polish. I don't know. I guess I just had so many polishes that when I moved away to go to school, I didn't really feel like bringing a bunch. So, here's that. Oh, also I just realized my nails are kind of gross underneath, so don't pay attention to that, guys. Okay, so that's one that I brought, which I really do plan on using because it's really cute. Okay, this one is by Kiss, and it's a shimmery green color called Green Apple, and I wonder if this is the one. Let me smell it. I know that's a weird thing to say. Whew. Okay, that was really strong. I know for a while I think they were doing ones that had smells like scent, and I thought this one was going to be Green Apple. It even says it's Green Apple, but I did have some. Maybe that's the next one I'm going to show you that were scented by Kiss. I think I had a purple one, an orange one, a blue one, a green, like a darker green, but some of those I threw away because they were all nasty and gross, so I only kept the ones that were decent. This one has a shimmer through it, an iridescent color, but the shimmer is gold. I don't think you guys will be able to see that. But I particularly like iridescent things because when I was younger, I really liked fairies and Peter Pan and stuff, and I felt like sparkly things or iridescent things was like fairies, and I was a fairy, a little weird kid who was pretending to be a fairy. So yeah, here's another one with iridescent. This one I know is like one of my favorite ones when I was younger. This is a white polish, but if you can see, it has sparkles all through it. They're pink and green and purple and blue, and it's really just a really nice white. You can put this on all of your nails, or you could put it on just one nail. The only reason that I would not buy this again is because it takes a couple coats for it to be like not see-through. This one's called Sparkle Punk. I'm not sure who this is by. Yeah, not sure. But I know I really loved that, so I'm definitely going to be using that. Roll this one around. This one is a very sparkly green. It's pretty much like the top here, and this one I'm pretty sure is, let's see, Emerald Buttermint. This says Bon Bell. But here's my questions, guys. Bon Bell, I remember that was like a chapstick or some kind of brand like that. I thought this one was not Smashbox. Was it called Smackers or something? Because I remember having a ton of chapsticks by Smackers or whoever makes them that have all the fruit flavors, and then a kit with a bunch of these in it, and I think I got it at a birthday party when I was younger. And I had a green phase where I like loved green nail polishes. But the question is Bon Bell and Smackers the same thing, or are those two different companies? I don't know. I don't even know. Maybe that's a stupid question, but yeah. So I plan on using that one as well. was given at my new job. Some of you have been asking me, what is my new job? Where do I work? Unfortunately, I cannot tell you, and I'm not saying that to be dramatic or, oh, because you make YouTube videos and you're paranoid that people will know too much about you. It's actually not that. I actually really can't tell you where I work. So, at my new job, they have a committee, like a welcoming committee, and they gave me like a card with my name on it and with a nice message inside and some candy and some popcorn, and then they also gave me this. I think it's like a date keeper or something, but I actually haven't opened it because I've been saving it for you guys. So I have this nice pin with this little girl. I don't think I'll be able to hold this to write with, but it's a cute pin. And I have this cute little book that says, "Give the gift of time." Inside, there's these cute little bugs. So this is just like a journal or I guess some people could say a planner or a date keeper, but it doesn't have the dates and things in it. I actually have one already that I was given by my job because they make their own, and I've been using that one, but this is something I would use for like notes to myself or to write people notes, so I will keep that with me when I go places. But I thought that was very sweet of them to give me like a welcoming present. I know this has turned into many videos now, you guys, but I have one last thing to show you, and it's in this box. So if you're interested and you'd like to know what's inside,